It's a new week. We need another way to earn or attract some paper. I got another website that I think is going to help you out so you can use nothing but your phone to start bringing in them checks. Without further ado, let's get it. Okay, people, I introduce you again to Dova. Dova has just been on fire because they've added a lot of new features and you can benefit this from using your phone. So what I'm gonna do is show you a little bit about the website, then I'm gonna show you how you could potentially start using this as well. So when you go to the website, I want you to understand that it doesn't cost anything to use. It's literally free. So when you go, you see they broke it down into the top sellers. So you can see 1, 2, 3, and you can sign up to access even more information. If you want the most popular, boom, they got popular products that are trending right now on the net, hot picks, whether this is from Google, whether it's from social media. And let me show you this. These are some of the reasons you want to use Dova. They have the highest standard and quality assurance. They have data-driven product selections, full integration with leading platforms like Shopify, Amazon Shop, and so many others. They have effortless product listing and order management, smart price and inventory monitoring, personalized support and growth coaches as well. And they even added AI. Okay, so when you go here, you see there's a lot of different breakdowns. You can find the highest profit products, the premium suppliers. This is one I like because you can find, in the streets, they call this the plug. So you're gonna be able to find the actual plug themselves. So you see all these companies, these are the ones that are selling all the stuff you see on TikTok Shop and on Patreon and on Pinterest. You see all those products being sold. These companies are selling these products to those creators or those influencers for a fraction of a dollar, bro, for very cheap. These are the suppliers. So once you find a supplier you like, you literally can click in right here. And when you click it, you can save the supplier so you can contact them. You can see all the other products that they have. And you see these little, you see this little icon right here? You press that and it takes you to the back end so you can actually contact the supplier in real time. So when we need to get paid, we need to figure out which things do we want to sell. Now, when you look up here, you can pick some of the high profit products. Let's check those out. And you see all different stuff for outside. There's phones, there's hammock-like chairs, there's makeup, there's keyboards, there's bikes. So this is all over the place, but it's showing you some of the highest profit products. So you see right now, Dova is selling this for 102, Amazon selling it for 236. Let's pick another product. You see right here, this is a mountain bike, 16-speed outdoor bike. Dova selling it for 163, Amazon selling it for 319. Let's go to a keyboard. It cost us $40 from Dova, Amazon selling it for $91. But somehow they have a touchscreen phone for $84 and they selling it for $180. You get the picture. So you can pick your product here, you can get it for cheaper from Dova, and you can sell it online. I'm gonna show you how to sell it online. So this is one of my clients. We grew them from 0 followers, started the page from scratch. And I'm here to tell you, you do not need a lot of followers to get sales in this niche. This is YouthLux is my client's name, and they've gotten sales, and it's all because what we're doing is posting organic content. So when you know what product you want to sell, we're selling a lip liner for them, right? And you'll see, look at the views, 600,000. We put our watermark on there, and we always make sure to give credit to the actual creator. So what we're doing is we're downloading content that has already been posted or used for this product, and we're simply reposting it, repurposing it, and giving credit to the owner. I just found out actually you can run ads on this as well, and that's going to skyrocket your sales. So if you have a product and you don't know what content to post, you can repost other content about your actual product. So if it's lip liner, shirts, beauty products, you can literally post those exact videos here by doing a quick search on TikTok or on Instagram. And I just want to do a quick scroll to show you every week they're getting videos that pass probably about 1,000 views. And just with this kind of view count, you're still going to be able to drive sales with having a good checkout page. Let me show you this. Oh, and I interrupt this video to let you know I love you. And 2, I have a free Patreon that you can join. Yes, there's a free Patreon. Tons of information, AI tools, tips. I'm hiring people, all sorts of things. So you can upgrade your level to $7 if you're really serious. But if you just want to be around people who are attracting money, join the Patreon for free. All the links will be in the description below. And make sure you check out this tool. It's amazing. You dig. When you go to Dova and you want to see what's selling, you can literally type in beauty and it'll show you the top beauty selling products. Look at this, $12 you can get this for, $21, and so on and so forth. They have tons of products listed here. And if you want to add any of this to your inventory, you simply click that button and it's added to your inventory. But let's see what's popping on TikTok. So if you want to do something similar to what I'm doing and just repost popular content, you can see what's been trending on TikTok. Let's go to beauty and health. And when we go to beauty and health, you see all the products that have been booming and making others money. And you even see how many of each item is in stock. 791 in stock. You see where it ships from. All you have to do is hover over this and it tells you what country it ships from, bro. If this isn't helpful, I don't know what is. So you can literally connect your TikTok shop to Dova. I don't know how simple it could be. You can connect your TikTok shop to Dova, and then every single time someone orders a product, you can get your orders fulfilled right here. Oh, and I'm not done with Dova because they even added AI, bro. So let's say you got a product, service, e-commerce business, and you want to start making sales. Guess what? Guess what, Deborah? They have an AI store builder. So this in one click is going to do what? You see, connect your Shopify, your Wix, any store you have, or you can start building right here. And all you're going to do is pick what niche you want. Let's see, beauty. You press next. And then they have some store banners that we can choose from. You can pick a color and press next. And just like that, after you sign up for Shopify, your whole store is made. And you can sign up for Shopify for just $1. Don't worry, I'll have the link in the description below. So after they have AI design your whole store, they're going to give you 10 winning products that you can select from. They have the AI auto lister, which is going to auto list trending and viral products to your store automatically, and it's daily. So you can list items on your terms with real-time inventory sync. And if you're having trouble finding what products to sell, they even have an AI product finder, bro. This is getting amazing. It's going to probably save you some money on employees. And last but not least, the way you can get money and get paid with Dova is affiliate program. So you've seen on my page, we're going viral, we're getting good views. If we decided to change the product link here and instead put the link to Dova where other people can sign up and start selling their products, we would get paid a commission every single time and make money every time someone becomes a Dova affiliate. And yeah, you get 30% commission. So for 90 days, anytime somebody signs up, you're getting 30% of the commission that they spend. This is next level. So this tool is called Dova. You've heard me introduce it before, but we're always constantly finding new ways to use different things, new ways to use different tools when they get upgrades, when they get updates, new features. And this is a full feature tool and they keep upgrading, bro. So every time they upgrade, I'm gonna show y'all what they upgraded. I suggest locking in if you need Shopify, if you need Dova, if you need any of the websites mentioned. I'll have everything in the description. Make sure you sign up for Dova right now. It's free to join, it's free to sign up. Make sure you tell them Seshi sent you, and Shopify link will be below so you can sign up for $1. Let me know what y'all think of this video. Are you going to use this to get paid? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you tell your auntie and your sister I said what up. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You dig?